Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Play-Doh, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your doll into a nurse. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, blue Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, and a Play-Doh rolling pin and knife. If you don't have either of those, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. To start off our nurse, first we are going to have to form a base for her. To make the skirt of our nurse, first we are going to roll out some Play-Doh, then cut it into a rectangle. My choice of color is blue because that is a traditional color for a nurse's outfit. Now, we are just going to wrap the rectangle around her waist. Perfect! Now onto the shirt. To make the shirt, we are going to be doing the same thing, but instead, we are going to cut out a smaller rectangle. Once again, wrap it around your doll. Perfect! Now, she has to have some sleeves. To do that, I'm just going to take a small piece of Play-Doh, measure it on her arm, cut off one of the ends, and then stick it onto her shoulder. Cute! Now repeat the process. To give her outfit the finishing touch, first, we are going to be rolling out some white Play-Doh and cutting it so it will fit the bottom of her sleeves. Wrap it around the end of her sleeves and voila, it's perfect. Just like the other side, repeat the process. Cute! Now we are going to be making her a collar. I like to do that by cutting out a triangle and then sticking it to the top of her shirt. Easy enough, on to the next. Lastly, to finish the outfit, we are going to add some buttons going down her shirt. Just roll out small pieces of Play-Doh and stick it on her shirt. Of course, all nurses need a stethoscope. I like to make that by rolling out some Play-Doh and forming it into a U shape. Then, in the middle, putting another piece of Play-Doh going straight down with a ball attached to the bottom. Just wrap it around her neck. Just one more thing and then she's ready. That's right, all she needs is a hat. To make a hat, all you have to do is roll out some Play-Doh, then cut it into a hat shape. nurses have a little red cross on their hats. To make that, just roll out some Play-Doh and put one horizontally and vertically on the top of her hat, and voila! Now, just wrap the hat around her head and you have your perfect little nurse. Here is our nurse. Wow, doesn't she look great? I especially like her little nurse hat. Go heal some patients now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Doh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.